This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a quiet room and minimizing sound reflections. This gives cleaner recordings. Plug your earphone into the correct jack, and if you need an adapter, attach it now. Make sure the device recognizes the earphone mic. Open input settings and select headset or external mic. Once done, lower playback and input gain so you won't clip. You're beginning the recording chain correctly. This prevents distortion and saves time when editing later. Now position the earphone mic about 1 to 2 inches from your mouth, slightly to the side. This reduces plosives while keeping clarity. Record a short test sample. Speak normally, then louder, then a whisper. Monitor peaks and aim for about -6 dB. If your device offers live monitoring, listen with low volume to catch hiss or handling noise. Adjust angle, distance, or gain and retry until the waveform looks healthy. Once levels and tone are balanced, begin your full recording in focus takes and label each file clearly so you can find material quickly. Record at a consistent sample rate, choose 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and use 24-bit depth if available to preserve dynamics. After each take, listen back for clipping, distortion, or background interference. Save backups immediately. If you encounter issues, try moving to another port, using a foam cover, or applying gentle noise reduction during editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.